ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So today this is the last video of Kaagunitha where we'll be learning O and Au. So till now we have done till I. If you have not seen the videos if you have not learned till I and not seen the videos, please go back and check all the videos, learn, and only then you have to come for this video O and Au. I'm not doing for and because and is very simple where you have to put two zeros, the 1 zeros and 2 zeros, which I'll be telling you in this video itself. So there is no exclusive video for and the main focus is on O and Au. So before starting the videos, before starting the lesson, I request you all to take book, pencil, eraser, wear earphone and sit in a quiet place and we'll follow the lesson. If you don't know till I, if you have not practiced, please stop, practice one, and only then you have to come for this video. So we'll start with today's learning is O and Au. For this, I want you to recall the Kaagunitha of Oo. So what is the Kaagunitha of Oo? I'll take for example Ka. So this is how you write. This is the symbol, right? So the same thing I'm going to use in O and O also, but with a small difference. Okay? So observe, I'll use both O together, then we'll learn Au. So for O, I'll use the letter Ka. I write same as Ku, okay? Here the main difference is the head. If you observe the A part, what did we do for head? We did with a small circle. Yes, apply the same thing here also. For the head, put a small circle. So this is Ko. Perfect. And for Ko, that's it. This is your Ko. Clear? Now we'll go for the next letter, one more letter. So Go. Go. Ro. Ro. Clear? So this is how you have to write for O and O. I hope it's clear for you. We'll go for next Au. For Au, remember this symbol. We are going to use the same symbol. Instead of a head, which is the head? This is the head, right? So remove this head. That's it. Cow, Gau, Rau. For example, if you are writing inside the line, how you must write is, you should write like this. Okay, it should stop just above the letter, the height of the letter. Remember, do not write like this. This is wrong. Do not write like this. This is also wrong. Clear? So always go with the length of the letter when you are writing cow. And here also, this symbol also, we should write to the length of the letter. It should not be too small, it should not be too big also. Clear? Understood? Fine. So there are few special letters in this case, in all these three, O and Au. Which is a special letter is Ya, Ja and Ma. If you observe how it should be, this is very important because most of the children will make mistake here itself. So how you should write, how it is supposed to be actually, I will tell you. So this is how you will write, correct? This is how you will write, but it is not like that. So what you should do is, at the end is there, right? Here itself you have to stop it. Yo. Clear? And Yo. And for Yau, how it should be? What did I tell? I told you from here it should become. Because you have to alter the head. No. In this case, this is wrong. So Yau will come at the end, not from the head. Head remains there itself. Same thing applies for Ja. Okay? It's not like this. Wrong. At the end itself, stop. And for Ma also, it's not like this. Stop. At the end itself it will stop. These are the special cases. You should remember this and you should not do the mistakes. And for Ja also the head will remain same, and for Ma also head will remain same. Clear? So this is O, O and OW. I hope it's clear. Doubt idre do let me know, comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mail ಮಾಡಿ. Remember please, the special letters very important because most of the mistakes will happen in the special letter of O, O and OW. The major difference between Ku and Ko is the head. Here the head has 0, here the head doesn't have a 0. Remember that very carefully. Okay? We'll go for few words here in this. Okay? Okay. So the first one, Kola. Kola. Kola is a pond. Koti. Koti. Koti is monkey. If you don't know the T part, please do learn properly from the first video. Then Kaurava. Kaurava. Kauravas and Pandavas. Correct? From Mahabharata. So this is how the words are there. At the end of this video, you have the notes. You can get the notes of O, O and OW, how to write O, O and OW for all the letters. And also you have few activities where you have to read the words and write the words. Please complete all those things. And in this we have completed the Kaagunitha from A to OW. For and it's very simple, children. For 1 0 come right in front of the letter and for the 2 zeros you should write like this. And this applies for all the letters Kam and Kaha. And just give me a pause. I'll just take a pause. I'm sorry for the background noise. And this is how you write for Kam and Kaha, and do not write Kaha like this. Okay? So remember and Aha. How is and Aha? And you use the same format for all the letters from Ka to La. So here we complete the Kaagunitha from Ka to Kaha, which is very useful to read and write the Kannada script, your textbook. So we have completed everything including Arkavali, Uttakshara, words and Kaagunitha. Now it's your turn. You have to start reading and writing. Everyday practice is must. So please practice every day. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. If you find any of your friends are struggling with the Kaagunitha, Uttakshara and any of the basics, please share them this video, so that will help them a lot. You will gain the knowledge by sharing the knowledge. You can also teach your friends also. So that's it from my end. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel ki. And there are few ebooks that is being launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani for children and adults. You will get the link for them, for all those books in a description box. For children there are story books, vocabulary books and the tense books. And for adult there is a spoken Kannada book which is being written in the English and which is in the colloquial form. For the first time in the market you will get that kind of a book. Even that the part 1 is launched and the link will be available in the description box. Please go check the sample copy before purchasing the book, and you can purchase the book. All the books are ebooks. So that's it from my end. So practice ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Kaagunitha ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ Kaagunitha ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ or ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.